செய்கின்றோம். காவல்துறை காவல்துறை சுட்டுத்தல் சுட்டுத்தல் எங்களை எல்லாம் சுட்டுத்தல். மக்களுக்கு பாதுகாப்பில்லை, மக்களுக்கு பாதுகாப்பில்லை.
The murder which has taken place in Sembium police station limits today evening, in the late evening, in that murder case, we have secured 8 suspects so far, a few minutes before. This is early investigation, preliminary investigation. So after some time the clear picture and better accurate picture will emerge once we are through with more investigation, more facts and circumstances coming to light. We'll share with you. 10 teams have been formed by us. We are on the job to bring the offenders to.
Sir, any clarity on
Yeah, there are some 2-3 suspicious motives. So after the interrogation of these suspects, we'll find out what could be the exact motive. So we'll. Yeah, some weapons have been used. The preliminary injuries which reveal that some sharp weapons have been used. So the postmortem tomorrow it will be done. The picture will be better clear tomorrow morning. Secured only. You know, the 8 people just now only they have been. So the picture will become more clear after some time.
டைனாமிக் லீடர் தம்பிகள், வீர வணக்கம், வீர வணக்கம், வீர வணக்கம், வீர வணக்கம். டாக்டர் பூவையாக்கி, எங்கள் எல்லாம் மனிதராக்கிய, எங்கள் எல்லாம் மனிதராக்கிய வீர வணக்கம் செய்கின்றோம். இனி வர சந்ததியை எப்படி நம்ம காப்பாற்றணும்?
Any kind of violent act, and certainly one that involves taking the life of a human being, is condemnable and action has to be there. And one is noting this trend that it's happening in different states against political functionaries. This is not just about Tamil Nadu, it's happened in Punjab. But what is a matter of concern is that everyone has to be united in standing with the victim's family and standing against the perpetrators of violence. There cannot be a different set of standards, especially for the Congress party and those who are in the India alliance, For them to stand up and say that if it happens in a state where they are not in government, then they will criticize it, then they will step out and start doing politics. And when it happens in a state that is ruled by one of their so-called allies, they will turn their face the other way and ignore it. Ultimately, this is not just about bad politics. This is also about a human life being lost. And at the end of the day, we must stand with humanity.
Once again, a brutal murder in Chennai city. The old Madras is becoming city of murders. This is what is happening in Chennai. The entire Tamil Nadu. Continuous murders, hacking people into death by anti-social elements, hired coolies, hired gangs. This is happening everywhere in Tamil Nadu, every day. In the last 2-3 years, we have seen this Dravida model DMK's government. It is happening regularly. Mr. Stalin, is this Dravida model? This is what you mean by Dravida model? Where is the police? Where is the administration? It's complete failure of the administration in Tamil Nadu.
तमिलनाडु में जिस प्रकार से कानून व्यवस्था पूर्ण तरीके से ध्वस्त हो चुकी है, उसका परिचय तब मिलता है जब बीएसपी के तमिलनाडु के अध्यक्ष आर्मस्ट्रांग जी को सरेआम, वो भी 7 बजे 6-7 लोग मिलकर बड़े वेपन्स के साथ, मैशेटी, स्वॉर्ड, इस प्रकार के वेपन्स के साथ चेन्नई में मार देते हैं। लगातार वहां पर जो अपराध है, इस प्रकार की आपराधिक घटना है, वो लगातार बढ़ती जा रही है। दलितों का जीना तमिलनाडु में नामुमकिन होता जा रहा है। जिस प्रकार से कलकुरुची में 65 दलित मारे गए, इसके बाद एक ही सवाल मन में आता है कि क्या स्टालिन साहब जो होम मिनिस्टर भी है, क्या उन्हें कोई नैतिक अधिकार है कि वो मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में कंटिन्यू करे? और दुख की बात यह है, पीड़ा की बात यह है कि राहुल गांधी जी और इंडिया अलायंस के तमाम नेता, जो कहीं और घटना होती है बीजेपी शासित प्रदेश में तो वहां पर राजनीति करने, टूरिज्म करने जाते हैं, परंतु जब तमिलनाडु में 65 दलित मारे जाते हैं, जब दलित नेता आर्मस्ट्रांग को मारा जाता है, तो राहुल गांधी के मुंह से एक शब्द नहीं निकलता, अन्यथा वो दलित लाइव्स मैटर इस प्रकार की बातें लगातार करते हैं। आज सवाल राहुल गांधी से भी है कि क्या वो तमिलनाडु की सरकार पर कार्रवाई की मांग करेंगे? क्यों वो कलकुरुची पर भी चुप थे? क्यों वो आर्मस्ट्रांग की हत्या पर भी चुप है? क्या यहाँ के दलितों के जीवन की कोई मूल्य नहीं है? क्या नॉर्थ साउथ करने वाले राहुल गांधी अब साउथ को भूल चुके हैं?
I strongly condemn this incident. As a national party state president, he is unable to survive because of the law and order situation in Tamil Nadu. The DMK government is totally failure to maintain the law and order situation. Because today the Armstrong is died, the Gundas are hacked to death him, and 10 days before, 65, almost 70 people died because of the illicit arak. So where is going, what they are doing? Even Tamil Nadu Chief Minister is controlling his police department and Home Ministry is with him. He is unable to control the police, or he is unable to control the law and order situation. This is very strongly condemned. Rahul Gandhi is going to Hathras, but he don't know where to the Kallakurichi. He is not visiting the Kallakurichi. See these like these incidents. One Congress district president, he murdered. That also there is no action in that case. So see, one ADMK office bearer, he also murdered. So like his political leaders also getting murdered. One national party's state president, he is murdered. He don't have the security, or he don't have the safety. Where the state is going, what the common peoples, where they may get, what kind of security they may get. I strongly condemn this incident and strongly condemn to the state of Tamil Nadu and department and the chief minister. He has to be ensure that law and order situation has to be controlled and the accused has to be arrested. In future also, the Tamil Nadu government has to take strict action against these gundas.